Hi, my name is Linda. Today I will be sharing a special recipe from Vietnam. Simmering chicken in a caramelized sugar syrup gives it a rich, amber glaze, which makes an attractive dinner party dish. The saltiness of the fish sauce balances the sugar, while the ginger adds just a hint of peppery heat. You can always increase or decrease the quantities to suit your taste. Hope you enjoy and learn from this Vietnam recipe. Now we have to prepare the cooking recipe list. Ingredients: cup 90 g sugar, cup 90 milliliters fish sauce, 600 g chicken thigh fillets, halved and trimmed of excess skin and fat, 1 tablespoon finely shredded fresh ginger, a teaspoon black pepper, coarsely cracked. More uses for traditional ingredients. Coarsely cracked black pepper can be used instead of chile in many dishes where spiciness is needed. It will add a fiery flavor to sweet and sour sauce, and potent heat to a curry or soup. Whole black peppercorns give a subtle pepper flavor to meat marinades and pickles. Once we have prepared the ingredient list, we can start cooking now. We will start cooking following a step-by-step. Number 1. In a large saucepan, cook the sugar until it melts and becomes golden brown. Number 2. Remove from the heat and pour the fish sauce into the pan, taking care to avoid the splattering that occurs. Add 1 cup 375 milliliters water. Return the pan to the heat. Boil until the sugar has completely dissolved. Number 3. Add the chicken and ginger and simmer for 35 minutes, or until the chicken is tender. Number 4. Skim any excess fat from the surface of the sauce and sprinkle the pepper over. Serve. Did you know? Fish sauce is one of the oldest seasoning ingredients. Traces of this salty sauce have been discovered in earthenware pots in tombs uncovered by archaeologists. In ancient Roman cooking, it was known as garam. Today, it is used widely in Thai and Vietnamese cooking. Hope enjoy our cooking recipes. Next, we look into the substitutes. Explore the versatility of using coarsely cracked black pepper as a substitute for chili in various dishes. Discuss how the fiery flavor of black pepper can enhance sweet and sour sauces, add heat to curries and soups, and provide a subtle pepper flavor to meat marinades and pickles. Health Watch: this dish can be made successfully using skinned chicken. However, you will need to add 1 tablespoon vegetable or canola oil to the sauce to prevent the chicken from drying out. Cook's tips: when you add the fish sauce to the caramel, it is important that the windows are open and the exhaust fan over the stove is switched on, as it will become quite smoky. When pepper is added to clear sauces, it should be cracked coarsely, as finely ground pepper will give the sauce a cloudy appearance. Serving suggestions: a fresh salad of cucumber, salad onions, and cherry tomatoes should be served with this chicken. Steamed white rice would also be a perfect addition. If you prefer brown rice or noodles, stir in some chopped herbs and a few teaspoons of butter. Wines and drinks: a Traminer Riesling or a non-alcoholic tropical fruit punch made with ginger ale would be great choices with this dish. Let's move on. Did you know? Fish sauce is one of the oldest seasoning ingredients. Traces of this salty sauce have been discovered in earthenware pots in tombs uncovered by archaeologists. In ancient Roman cooking, it was known as garam. Today, it is used widely in Thai and Vietnamese cooking. My mentor Dicky is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dicky at dickylim@gmail.com. Website: https://plrsalesfunnel.com.